Hey y'all, what's up? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Is it too late to say Happy New Year? Cause we is drinking our water and minding our business all of 2022, okay? But hey y'all, what's up? I wanted to do get ready with me. I am styling my natural hair. And hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts on this product because baby, I got a lot to say. But I'm just gonna be sitting down, chit-chatting it up, talking to y'all about whatever I feel like talking about. I wanted to talk about what you can expect from Shanise Nicole in 2022. The same thing you got last year. I'll be adding in some newer things into my channel, but other than that, I ain't got no big speech to make. I'm just gonna keep doing me. I'm just feeling good, feeling great about 2022. My therapist got me feeling like on top of the world. If I rule the world, imagine that. Hey, I free all my sons. I love them, baby. Ooh, come on, Shalon here. I shocked myself. How was everyone's holiday? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a little taste of my holiday. We had so much fun on Christmas. New Year was good. We brought it in kind of slow because child, I ain't even gonna talk about that. But our holiday was good. We are blessed and highly favored. Yeah, so feeling good, feeling great. And I'm just excited. So one thing I will be bringing back this year is my garden content. Yo, I gotta update y'all on my garden. Like, it's still kicking, but baby girl is leaning. So I gotta update y'all on my garden. I will be, is y'all ready for that drum roll? Is y'all ready for that drum roll? I will be adding cooking videos back into my, my spread. Yeah, so I did take a vote on Instagram like a couple months ago. I think like back in August. That's how trash I am. And I was saying how, you know, I was picking with the name. So mostly everybody voted Eats with Nise. So I will be adding Eats with Nise into my playlist. Yeah. So we're going to be back on that. I will be cooking a little more. I don't know if I'll be vlogging. Y'all know vlogging is like something random I do. It's not something that I'm really like passionate about. Like, oh, I love vlogging so much. I like the vlog, but not all the time. Because I'm not good with carrying around the camera. I don't want the camera in my face all the time. I don't want people in my business. You know, you pick and choose what you want to vlog, but I just don't be, I don't know. I like vlogging, but not like that. Not to that extent. I will be having a wig sale. I don't know when, but yo, these wigs need to go. And it's like, I've only had 2 wig sales, but I feel like it hasn't made a dent in my wig stash. I'm so sick of seeing these wigs in my closet. Like, seriously, look out for that. I'll keep everything posted in my community tab. I've been chilling, you know, planning and trying to figure out, will I be quitting YouTube this year? No, I'm not quitting YouTube, but the thought crosses my mind all the damn time. But I'm excited for what's to come this year. I have no idea what to expect. Some things I'm excited for this year is my skincare routine. So I started seeing an esthetician, y'all, and I will be doing my updated skincare routine because I have new products and they are pricey. They are pricey, but we is getting this skin together in 2022, okay? I'm really big on skincare this year. I'm really big on just putting back into myself because I neglect myself a lot when it comes to my family and just in general. I'm always worried about my family and their well-being, but what about you, Shanise? Okay. Like, sometimes I forget, you know, I fall off just like everybody do. But I'm really into getting back to me and taking care of me, you know, physically, mentally, emotionally. So, chapter 34 is loading. I'll be 34 next month, February 5th, Aquarius gang in this thing. So, I'm really looking forward to that. And also, my oldest will be 15, 4 days later. Aquarius gang. Am I blended good? I gotta make sure my concealer is blended good. Like, I don't like to look crazy. So, we was really big on self-care, self-love this year. What else is going to be popping this year? Me and my husband will be celebrating 9 years of marriage in March. But altogether, it'll be 13 years. That's my man, y'all. I love my man so much, y'all. But I'm really excited about that. So I want to do a Q&A. Yeah, I want to do a Q&A. I'm going to announce it on my Instagram one day this week. And I'll also leave it in the community tab. But I want to do a Q&A. I don't think I've ever done one since starting YouTube. But y'all can ask me things about like content creating, wifehood, motherhood, marriagehood. Come on, makeup. But yeah, y'all, this was just like a random get ready with me. Okay, because we in the place to be. Nise. Y'all not ready for these bars. But it was like a quick video to get me back into the place of recording. Because let's be real, as a content creator, speaking for myself, I get burnt out. I don't be wanting to do this. No matter how much I love it, I still be like, I'm not recording today. I've learned a lot as a content creator. Going on this journey, I've come across some really good people. I've come across some not so great people. But you live and you learn. You know, you're not for everybody. Everybody's definitely not for you. And, you know, I came into YouTube with a goal. Like, I just want to be great at what I do. And I've achieved that goal. I'm great at what I do. No matter the numbers or anything like that, I'm great at what I do. And I'm glad that, you know, I took the leap and just did it. Because it took me a long time to do it. You know, and I just pray that I can get better at it, get more successful. That's all I want. I'm just here to create, have fun, and make some money. I started separating the hair off camera, but y'all, this product has my hair so freaking hard. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, wait, girl. It won't move. My hair. It won't move. It won't move. The definition is amazing, but y'all, I'm gonna have to go in between my hair and probably mess up a lot of the curls to actually separate it. And my roots aren't tangled. Just so you know, my roots are not tangled. It's just that the hair is so freaking hard. It's hard to like go, like get in there. I don't know, maybe I'm out add like some more oil. I don't want my hair to be heavy, but that's the only thing that's gonna soften these freaking curls up. They're so freaking hard. But no, the curls are everything. Like, they look good, but my hair is hard. I'm like, bruh, look. Ooh, if I break a nail messing around with this hair, I'm shaving it off. Because you don't disrespect the clickety clacks. No, what I'm going to probably do is like separate the hair. Okay, because we got to make it do what it do, baby. I didn't do all of this work for nothing. So just go in it and like separate it, fluff it like that. Because just like diving in it is not going to work. We're back with the epic fail of the natural hair. I do apologize how I sound in advance because I am getting over, you know. But I'm feeling better. But y'all, let's get into this product. So the product that I use today is by The Do. It is their Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse. Y'all, and this mousse left my hair so hard. Like, I couldn't even go through and separate it and fluff it how I said that I was going to do because it just did not work out, baby. Like, my hair was so hard. I sent a video to my husband and he was like, that reminds me of the back of the day spritz when your hair did not move. Like, my hair isn't stiff, but it's stiff like at the roots. I can't explain it. Like, it got some movement to it, but like it got a little down. But yeah, I was still wanted to post this video because everything that I do ain't great. I mean, I'm great, but everything doesn't turn out well. I don't always melt these laces like I should. I don't always do my natural hair like I should. Like, everything isn't perfect. And that's what this video is showing the imperfect me with my messed up hair. Gosh, I really wanted a different look, but it's okay. I'm gonna try it again. This video basically was to just get me behind the camera and put a little fire underneath my hind parts because I don't feel like doing that. But it's all good in the neighborhood. I thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart for always supporting me. Y'all don't have to support me, but y'all do, you know? Thank you. I love y'all. I'm just thankful for the people in my life. I'm thankful to be in a good headspace. I'm thankful that I made it another year because it's hard out here, y'all. Like, it's hard out here in so many different areas that I couldn't even begin to touch. But I know for myself, like, my mental health was one of those things that I really, really struggled with last year. It can be tough, but you can get through it. You can get through it. You are not alone. If you are somebody struggling with your mental health, I highly recommend therapy. But when I recommend therapy, I let people know that therapy isn't all fun and games. You know, it's not going to help if you're going there lying. You have to admit to some things, get ready for the good, the bad, the ugly, because you're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Healing is a beautiful thing, but it's also an ugly thing. So you're touching on trauma that you've been through in your life as a child, as an adult. And there's a reason why we do everything that we do. Like, I'm a certain type of way. Like, I'm a cutoff person. I don't give second chances. I don't want to hear it. Like, just cutthroat. I did grow up seeing that done by my dad. So it's like, basically I inherited, like, okay, we cut people off. That's just what we do. But as I go through therapy, there's a reason why I do what I do, because of things that I've been through in my childhood and, you know, coming up and growing up. And, you know, there's a reason for everything and it makes sense. So I'm not going to stop cutting people off, but it's nice to know why. It's nice to know the why for some things. And like my current therapist said, and my last therapist, there isn't a why for everything. We don't know why people act the way they do. We don't know why people do the things they do, say the things they say. There isn't an explanation for everything, but for some of the things, for myself, it's like giving me so much more clarity of like, oh, well, that's why you do that. Okay. But I highly recommend therapy, but it's an emotional thing. It's an emotional thing. And some people, they aren't prepared for what comes with therapy. But for me, it has been a blessing and like such a positive outlet, because you're really going in there and you're just basically pouring out your heart. And, you know, you're overcoming things and you're processing things, and it's helping you get through things, you know. Yeah, it just feels good. I'm happy I'm in therapy, and I'm never ashamed to say it. I just want to be a better person. That's it. That's my ultimate goal. I don't want to be anything else. I just want to be a better person. Better person, you know, I want to grow financially, spiritually, you know, emotionally. It was very hard for me to love after going through some things in my past, but my husband has helped me with that. He has definitely helped me love. Like, I never thought I would love somebody like outside of my family. I'm a cold person, and I'm cold because I have my reasons, but to actually open up and let somebody in, like, that's a big deal to me. I have a real hard time letting people in. Like, you can't get close to me, bro. Like, no. It's been great learning myself. I'm 33, I'll be 34 next month. And it's like, damn, you know, I didn't know that about myself. It's a learning process, but I'm enjoying the process. It's just so much that, you know, people don't know you're going through. Like, nobody would ever look at me and be like, oh, her mom was a drug addict her whole life, and, you know, she had it hard until she went to go live with her dad. And, you know, my mom passed away, and then my sister passed away 45 days later. You never know what people are going through. But yeah, I'm gonna hop up off this, y'all, because I could sit up here and talk about therapy forever. Therapy has been one of the best things that I ever decided to do. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.